This is the curly-tailed lizard. It's a non-indigenous species. This is an invasive species. Pretty much taken over down here in South Florida. A lot bigger, way more aggressive than the Florida knoll lizards. And these guys are ferocious eaters. They'll eat just about anything, including the smaller knoll lizards. And there he goes. And they're called curly-tailed lizards because they got this curly tail. Yep. Where you going, buddy? So fast. He's out here picking up ants or something, or bugs on the ground. They look for movement and then they pounce. They're cool lizards. Not supposed to be here, but so half the things here in Florida aren't supposed to be here, including half the people in Florida. But yep, there he is, curly-tailed lizard, Fort Lauderdale, invasive species. All right, this is Tiny. Remember, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Bye.